Sambonani, welcome to Couch Coach, your coach on the couch, the best coach on the couch. Please like, please share, and please subscribe. But the most important thing, please enjoy the film session. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for pressing the play button. Sekhukhune 0, Orlando Pirates 0. Not a good game. Both teams, they were not really good on the day. Sekhukhune, they wanted to beat the Pirates. How they beat the Kaizer Chiefs? Playing a long balls. I'm going to show you that. The Orlando Pirates, the system Orlando Pirates does not suit the players that started the game. It does not suit Umuremi, it does not suit Usibelebele on the right hand side. I'm going to show you the two differences, first half and the second half. Now, game plan Orlando Pirates, let's start. Let's look at the time. The first minute of the game, diagonal pass. This was a game plan Pirates, and this is his strength, Sagamuremi. On this clip, Pirates has the chance to play the ball diagonally, but Umbata, he does not pick up this, he doesn't see the run, he only sees this run. What ends up happening? Ball blocker. It's very difficult pass, Lapaya. Another diagonal pass. It's still early, I got shy in 5 minutes. Diagonal pass. I think Pirates should have capitalized on all my chances now. Maybe but at least one goal. This was not a diagonal pass, but I think Pirates in the first half or first 10-15 minutes, they were focusing good left because N1 on the left hand side. But the problem is they failed to keep on playing on the left hand side. Angithi Mbobi khona ivulekile. Asiyeni kuyo that side, the left hand side. On the right hand side, shem usibelebele the way iPirates ifuna adlale ngakhona, it doesn't suit him. Ngizonibonisa ukuthi ngikhuluma ngani. Before I show you why the system or the style Pirates does not suit usibelebele, let me show you a game plan this Sekhukhune. It is very obvious. Remember how they beat the Kaizer Chiefs? They play a long ball and then Ukhobla uzologa al flicker. Like this team, bafethu. Boss Sekhukhune man. Here's another one. Boom. This is what they wanted the whole game, G. The only way for Sekhukhune to beat the Pirates in this game was via a set piece. Nayenye long ball, foot. This is the only way. They were not creative. The final clip is Sekhukhune, guys. Naba bambora ba. The only time I enjoy watching Sekhukhune is if Ulinda Ntambo is playing. Mangeko. Now, guys, let me show you information in Pirates. It's a 4-2-3-1, just like the Sundowns, right? Just like the Sundowns. Nyayivala la. It's the 4 defenders, ne? And then the 2 double pivot. Tito playing as a 10, Sibelebele no Muremi tucking in, playing as ama half 10s, right? They are not supposed to be a touchline, but because they are not comfortable, they are not comfortable playing, being here, like receiving the ball here. There's a difference between utoli bola la and then you move inside than when you have to receive the ball here. Now I'm just showing you how they're supposed to be standing. And then in the next clip, I'll show you why they are not comfortable. They are not playing through their strengths. Now, Upegela, what Umuremi does, he'll always go la a touchline because his strength is running and giving in a cross or a shy. You know, he's not comfortable being inside. So, he'll always move that side. This is his strength. That's why you saw in the first half, Guti, he created a lot of problems. He's not comfortable playing in the middle. With this formation or with this system, if the ball is here, Umuremi is supposed to move in here and the left back is supposed to move le. He is supposed to move here. Utito is supposed to stay in the middle. He's supposed to stay in the middle. Remember, we want to attack SIT on the touchline. We want to attack with our full backs, not with our wingers. So he needs to be here. Utito needs to be in the middle. You know, Utito needs to be in the middle. They lose it, but also they don't lose it because of the system. They lose it because of touches. Now it's gonna come back again. Tito goes back. Now watch you Sibelebele. Sibelebele is here. You're supposed to get the ball. He's supposed to get the ball. Nombatana, he doesn't like playing amabola inside. Or in this game, he didn't play a lot of balls inside because he is supposed to get the ball here. Usbalabala is not comfortable here. This system, guys, you need players, you need wingers when they tuck in, are comfortable on the ball. They are not scared. So that's why I don't understand why Coach Pirates begumfukenge penshini no a police. A lot of teams angas butimina banja. It's like they don't know the basics of football. Like a corner kick, magui corner kick. They don't know Guti when you send one player Melugu Ngaki, things like that. Now let's look at this. You're gonna kick your Pirates. You're gonna kick your Pirates. Look at this. The Mundu Sugala. Uzala. Uzuyatena. No one is going to press him. Not even one. Because the moment one is ala, 2 is supposed to come out. Lo Mundu lo upumala. Look what they are doing. Pasamile. Umara. Bafet. Okay, great save by the keeper there. Great save by the keeper. Mara. Bafet. No, man. No. The basic things of football. Yeah? No, Bafet. The basics. This guy here, no one is going baya iya. No. If you see Guti, someone uyaya, mele uye, because masazo transfer a message, it's going to be too late. And you yambon tatiran. Iya wena, ukrobla la, papizi. Hey, one must go. Lo muntu suka la. How Jesu. Great save by the keeper laphaya. Second half, guys. Second half, Pirates look much better. After my substitution, Pirates won't win the league if isahlalisa uApollos or Mfukeng ebenchini. Ngeke. Usibelebele aqala game on the right wing. Angeke. He is more dangerous or impact yakhe ikakhulu when he plays as a right back. Now I'm going to show you the difference between Utito when he plays as a 10 and Mfukeng, right, when he plays as a 10. But now one chance that Pirates had because of the system. Now you have comfortable players in the middle. The right back is going where? He's going to the touchline. The right winger is doing what? Is coming into play as a half 10. You look at Mfukeng, he's in the middle. He's not coming here. Forget about this position. Go here. Beggar. Yeah? That movement. Lento bengikhala ngayo, lento bengisho first half ukuthi when you have the ball, the right back needs to move to the touchline. The right winger or the left winger tucks in, plays as a half 10. Pirates didn't do that a lot in the first half, and it's because the guys that were playing as wingers, they're not comfortable receiving the ball in the middle. So what I'm going to show you now is not to say Utito is a bad player or Mfukeng is better than Utito, but I'm just going to show you something that is a negative on Utito's side, right? Because you don't have to tinjalo mawambi ball ushaya style, because the moment you ushaya style uyavala ngale. Someone is making a run, Nyangton. I'm just going to show you the two players. Angazi ukuthi ngizothini man. Mara ngiyangithola bafethu. Now just watch. Utito gets the ball. He was making a run. Maybe I'm being too harsh. Maybe I'm being too harsh. But get the ball and if you get the ball, your intention yokuthi ufuna ukupasa or siyokora, ne? It's much better than not knowing ukuthi uwenzani. Then you want to dribble. You must know the players that odlala nabo. Because he makes a run, then he stops. Guys, it is very important to know your teammates. You need to know ukuthi udlala nama player anjani. Kunama player athanda ukugijima, kunama player athanda ukureceive ibhola enyaweni, stuff like that. He's making a run but he doesn't get it. Eventually uyalithola, but Utito could have played him the ball first time. You need to know ama player odlala nawo ukuthi lo it's a horseman. Ufuna ukuya phambili, mele ngimnike. I've shown you Utito. Now just watch this boy. Not a lot of touches. He knows what to do. Ukuthi ufuna ukwenzani. 2 touch, 3. Pass the ball. Okay, sharp. First half, the game I found in the second half. Second half, the game was open. Okay, sharp. We understand. Here's another clip. 3 touches. Only 3 touches. You don't need 10 touches, 15. You don't need a lot of touches, Buffett. 1, 2. Ay man, lumfana lona. Wenzani? You understand? One last clip bafethu bese ngiyayivala. 1, 2. Sundowns must sign this boy. Sundowns must sign this boy. Guys, I'm not saying it game okay sharp. It game obvious. First half, be tight, right? It was too compact. Second half, it was wide open. But what I'm trying to say is, you need to know your teammates. You need to know ama teammates wako lawathanda ukugijima that like amabhola ema-spacing. You need to play them. That's one thing Utito needs to improve kuyo. Yeah, he's very good to policy bowler. They are two different players. Abafan, they are two different players, but he just needs to know when to play the ball quicker. Inting is short. Thank you for tuning in, Bafetu. Please like, please share, please subscribe. Nyabonga.